And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. We're in the computer room because I'm doing a prep and support type thing that I can best do here. Okay, let me open this acetone. And now, there we go. Now, I'm going to take this. You saw out in the shop how I machined it and fitted it nicely to that. Now, I didn't use any cutting oil, any cutting fluids, so set that there. This paper towel is soaked with acetone. Now, if you look here, you see there's some label stickum. Okay. Now you see dirt. And take another piece of paper towel. There we go. Come on, you. And nice and clean. Nice and clean there. Nice and clean back there. Okay, now recap this acetone. Okay, now sit you there. Let's go here. Okay, now I'm going to move you over here. Okay, so you see this, all nice and clean. You see the paper towel. There. See? All nicely packaged. Stay clean. We'll stay clean. Now, I take this. Oh, stay in there, damn you! And there we have our two parcels, or should I say parts, the arbor, the wheel. So, next time I go out to the shop, these two parts, right, they come with me and they get put together permanently. That means for all time. Or till after I'm dead. Someone else has got them, their problem then. Anyway, I do believe I'm going to use Permatex thread locker because I've got two varieties of it. I got the blue and I got the high temp. And the high temp's got to be on my bench. They're near my machine. It's just a matter of what's it hiding under. So, next time out in the shop, I'll put the wheel and the arbor together. And good night in California.